we're going to do a Downy day. Yes, we're having Downy deals and Gain deals. And you know you want to know. So make sure you like and share the video on your way in. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, today's a good day to start. Look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. And, well, you can hang out with some of the best crazy folks you'll ever meet. And, well, we're just crazy about saving our money, guys, as it should be. Now, everybody, please, like I said, like and share the video on your way in. And please leave that 3-word comment that YouTube wants. And please, when those ads come through, let them play just for me. I love you for it. And thank you very much. And doing all those things is like leaving me a tip for tipping you off to all these deals that you might not have time to scurry out. So, let's talk about all these new Downy coupons and all these really super cheap Downy beads. And for those of you who'd like a little tip, do you have a wax burner? Well, the Downy beads work just like the wax things. Pour them in that wax burner, and they'll smell your house up. Double duty. Okay. Yep. If you're new here, we're not just a couponing channel, guys. You're coming to my house. You're hanging out with your friends, and we're talking about lady things. You know, like they used to do way back when. I know there's some of you that remember the times that we didn't have to work all the time. And most of the time, especially younger, I know they were days that we all got together on our block, 4 or 5 of us, watched our soap operas all day, got our house cleaned, made our dinners, and, dreamed of the days that we didn't have to do that. Well, your dream has come true. Now you got to do all that and more. And you don't get to stay home and watch your soap operas all day. So, yeah, that's a flashback memory. For those of you who too young, yes, we used to get to do that. Now you have to watch your soap operas if you watch them on the fly. If you ever get to watch them at all. I tell you, I get the biggest kick when I go to the doctor's office, guys, and they got the soap operas on, and I haven't seen them in years, and I look up and I'm like, oh my God, that person looks familiar, and I start laughing because I all of a sudden remember who it is, and I'm thinking, oh my God, I am aging better than they are. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, we come here to enjoy ourselves and to talk about the things that make us happy and some things that don't. And before we get into our deal today, I want to take some time to say, those of you who've asked for prayer requests, I got you. Okay, we got you. We do have people who need other assistance, spiritual support, and that's what friends are for. Okay, so we got you. All right, let's get into our deal now. Also, for those of you who know me, you know I'm windy sometimes. And I love you for being patient with me. So, Downy beads, we got several coupons. Our first one that we're going to be using is the $4.50, okay? It's attaching to the $10.95 Downy products. A lot of these may be out of stock because some of them were on the clearance, okay? But scan them and make sure that $4.50 is attaching. Now, you actually have another coupon that is attaching to these $10.95 as well. Both of these coupons are attaching, and one expires Saturday. So you're going to pick up two $10.95 beads, Downy beads. And you're going to use the $4.50 and the $3. Our next coupon we're going to use is the $1.75 off Downy beads. But we're not going to be getting Downy with it. We're going to be picking up some $4.50 Gain beads, okay? Because it is attaching to that. Now, if you want the Unstoppables or the Downy for $5, you can do that. It is a 50-cent difference. But the Gain beads are the Moonlit Breeze for $4.50. And that $1.75 coupon is attaching. Now, at this point, you're at $26.40. You got $14.25 coming off, an out-of-pocket of $12.15. And that's a winner-winner deal because it's like purchasing one of the $10.95 and getting everything else for $2.15. Alright, guys, next. We got a mixed deal next because, well, we got a kind of a reverse glitching coupon, but we're going to use it anyway. And that is this $4 Downy coupon. Because it's only attaching to the Gain Fireworks products. The original and the Moonlit Breeze. So you're going to pick up that for $9.95 and use this $4 coupon. And then next we're going to pick up another one of those $10.95 Downy beads and use that $4.50 coupon. And then we're going to go a little smaller and we're going to use this $2.75 Downy coupon on some Unstoppable beads. Or the Downy Cool Cotton or the new Downy Infusion Balance. Okay, they're all $6.95. And the $2.75 coupon is attaching to those. Now at this point, we are at $27.85, $16.25 in coupons on this one, and an out-of-pocket of $11.60 on this transaction. Scenarios using all of those Downy coupons, getting you a ton of beads, okay? Now, if you've got two different accounts, you can do both of these transactions and only spend $23.75 and get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things of beads of various scents and sizes. So it's like getting a giant variety pack for $23.75. Now, if you don't have two accounts and you still want to try to do this deal, the $10.95 Downy on your second transaction, then you just need to replace it with something else, and or two something else's that amount to the same amount of money and the same amount of coupon. And one of those items could be the Airwick Scented Vibrant Oil Refill for $7. It has a $4 coupon. And you would need $3 more to finish out that transaction. And you could do that with the Airwick Warmer for $4. And that warmer is free because it has another $4 coming off of it. So those are your replacement items for anything on these two deals that you need to replace. Would be the Airwick products. Because, like I said, the high-end coupon value and the price that they're asking, it's equal to some of these beads. So there you go, guys. That's a couple of amazing deals. And we got another video coming up with a Gain deal with that 4 off of 20 and a 5 off of 25 scenario. And you know you want to know, so stay tuned for that video. And I'll see you there. Love you bunches. Blessings.